Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by deciding what the QR will point to and why. Choose a URL, vCard, Wi-Fi, or a video link. Once decided, collect the exact link, a logo PNG and brief overlay copy so you don't edit later. Next, pick a QR generator that outputs high-resolution PNG or SVG and supports dynamic edits if you want analytics. Now create a draft QR at 300/600px and save source files. This gets you ready to integrate into your timeline without backtracking. Once the QR file is imported, position it so it occupies about 1/6 to 1/8 of the frame width. This balances scannability with composition. Make sure there's a quiet zone of roughly 30% around the code and good contrast against the background. High contrast ensures scanners read it fast. Then design how it appears: slide, scale, or track to a surface. When animating, keep the QR plane perpendicular to the camera as much as possible so scanning remains reliable. Test in your editor frequently. You're close. Export the sequence or final file at full source resolution and sensible bitrate so the QR stays crisp. Avoid aggressive compression that introduces blur. Once exported, test scanning on at least 3 devices and under 2 lighting scenarios to confirm consistent reads, and verify any dynamic link redirects behave correctly. If anything fails, go back, increase QR on screen size, remove motion blur, improve contrast, or swap to an SVG. Testing early saves rework before uploading or printing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.